Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Hear me out, people. Hear me out. Mason Greenwood on his way back. Mason Gunwood is on his way back, fam. I told you guys before, but that's another conversation for another day. We're gonna wait for 1,000 subscribers, so please drop a like on the video, subscribe right down here for brand new referee. Blood Whistle, fam. Let's go. Alright, listen. Mason Gunwood, Jamaica. In no time we'll be in Jamaica with the Jamaica team, and so today we'll talk about where will he fit in this team, who will he substitute for this team. We're going to talk about 3 possible positions that he will play in this team. We're going to talk about the attacking midfield position, centre forward position, and the right wing position, and where will he flourish in the team. So before we go any further, people, again, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. So alright, people, get something to drink because I want it to be a nice one. This one's going to be a hell of a one. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. The Grungad, the best thing Jamaica has ever seen. The wickedest footballer Jamaica has ever birthed. Score a goal in the Champions League, and everybody keeps saying, oh my God, he's creating history. Oh, Greenwood, oh, Bailey, he's creating history. Okay, fine. We created history by being the first Jamaican to score in the Champions League. Oopsie doopsie. You know how me feel about that man, people. You know how I feel about that man. So let's not go any further. Let's just get into the video. And the first position I'd like to talk about is Greenwood in the number 10 position, fam. In the number 10 position. Greenwood as a number 10, and how will he fit in Jamaica's team? Now, Greenwood will be playing more like a Bruno Fernandes when he just got to Manchester United 4 or 5 years ago, or in that number 10 that Arteta is using Odegaard at Arsenal, that playing off the striker, making those intricate passes between the lines, over the line to the striker, or even taking a shot at the edge of the box, going into the box and trying to score as well. That playmaking, goal scoring number 10, which he would fit perfectly in this Jamaica team, because they need someone who can drop the shoulder, go down to the right, beat it, even on the edge of the box, turn it on the left side, beat it again, or you make some nice passes through the lines to get Nicholson and to goal. I think that would be a perfect position for him in this time, because we need someone who can hold on to the ball, make 2 passes here or there, and is very deadly at the edge of the box. So we will see. And the next position I'll talk about is Nicholson's position, that number 9 position. We know that that man from West Ham, who unfortunately got injured, won't be playing again for another year or so. My best bet. But who knows, fam? He might not be even available for the World Cup. So maybe that number 9 position could be where Mason Greenwood would flourish. Because at number 9 position, he's going to have a lot of challenges when he's playing in CONCACAF. Those CONCACAF defenders are going to give him hell. They're strong, they're mobile, and if he's not strong enough to hold on to the ball, because he will get a lot of balls over the top, to hold on to it and try and beat the man or pass on the ball, he's going to have problems. But I did see that since he got onto the team at Manchester United, up to now, he's built up a lot of muscles. And he has been playing in the forward line for Marseille and for Getafe occasionally last year, and now he's playing at the forward line sometimes for Marseille. So I'd love to see him play in the forward line. I think that's going to be his best pick at this point in time, when he plays for Jamaica. Who knows? But I definitely do see him playing in the forward line, substitute for Mikel Antonio because of the injury that he has, and because Nicholas is not really nowhere near the level that he used to be. No, for that Greenwood substituting for the Grungad. Right here, so where Greenwood will go and play right wing. Alright, foul, whichever one I call it. Now remember, the greatest baller of all time, the greatest footballer Jamaica has ever seen, the wickedest, skillest, baddest baller Jamaica has ever seen, Leon Bumbleclot Bailey. I already told you guys how I feel about that man, so I don't need to go any further with it. But what I will say, and what I would say, is that when he plays for Jamaica, Leon Bailey plays like shit. So, do we need to upgrade on Leon Bailey? Yes. And that upgrade is Mason Bumbleclot Greenwood, fam. Mason Greenwood. Now, Mason Greenwood will be playing on the right wing. Now, you know how Mason Greenwood is. He's a left-footed right winger who is equally deadly on his right foot. He can easily go on the left side and play right wing and play left wing as well. But he is so good on his left foot and on his right foot. He will be deadly right at the edge of the box right here. Put Mason Greenwood in this area right here, and he is deadly at any given time. He can go on the right side, put a decent cross in. He can go on the right side, put a decent shot in. And don't forget, don't let me tell you about Mason Greenwood with his left foot at the edge of the box, bro. Don't let me tell you about Mason Greenwood at the edge of the fuck. Listen, Mason Greenwood will cause havoc at this CONCACAF. Mason Greenwood will cause havoc in this CONCACAF. We're talking about the Gold Cup and in the World Cup qualifiers. Listen, bring him come. Bring him come. Yo, bring him come. Yeah? Okay. Argument, people. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Remember, Mason Greenwood, 2 reggae boys. It's almost over. It's almost over. So let's talk about what we think about Mason Greenwood. Leave your comments in the comment section. Drop a like on the video. Let me know what you think about the 3 positions that I think Mason Greenwood will fit in this Jamaica team. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.